What's going on, guys? Man, JT, you could call me Nick, and this one we're back. We'll play some more Sons of the Forest. You know what we're doing, let's get straight into it. So, looks like there's some swimming to do. And imagine there's like water enemies. That would be pretty cool.
Oh, I see like a water. I see something in the water. It's floating.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah.
What's this stuff?
This is nice. Let's go for a little swim at the beach. I like it. I like it a lot.
No, this one we can now see our base.
Yeah, we can. We can.
Why are you so loud? Like, you sound really loud.
We know where Calvin is as well. Like, so Calvin's just.
Look how far back he is.
Yeah, that's good, because that's good. Oh, seagull. That looks realistic. That looks actually really realistic. Oh, we got it.
Look at the water.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it out.
Like the water crashing onto the beach. Looks pretty good.
Oh,
like, I'll rate that a 10 out of 10.
That's really nice. And I only have my graphics on high. I might put it up to ultra, to be honest. Oh, hold on.
I'm going to swim over. Hopefully that cleans off the blood on my fingers.
It looks like
oh, there's kelp. This reminds me of GTA water.
This is I think this is our first proper swim in the game. Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Looks like there's a few like sticks and stuff.
There's logs underneath, and there's rocks.
Yeah. Found a bucket. Alright, let's go. Let's see how the swimming's like.
Uh-oh. Don't drown yourself.
Okay. Yeah, my blood's cleaned off.
I got a pistol. Got 2 GPS. Like, yeah. It's food.
Is there a shark? Oh god! I just saw.
Yeah, there's a shark.
A big one.
Bro, look at the fin. Look at the fin. It's huge. It's swimming around. Oh, that's sick.
I better
Nick,
get up.
watch out! He's swimming over to you.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Do you see him, Nick? Nick, do you see him?
Yeah, he just attacked me. Oh! Oh my god!
Nick,
Get me up! Get me up! Get me up!
Nick, run! Nick, run!
How do I get up? I can't get up, dude.
Not there. There's a ladder.
Where? Where? Get me up! Oh my god! Jesus! I'm scary. I just see this massive shark. Look at this. Oh, flares. Did you say there was a gun up here?
Yeah.
Where? Where?
It was on the boat. Did you not get? Is there only one person gets it?
Looks like it.
What? Nah. You serious?
This poor
Look
fellow.
at inventory.
Where did you find your gun?
It was on here, bro. It's not.
Oh!
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, good.
Oh, yes. That's my first. Do we have any? Oh!
Oh shoot! You're gonna waste the block.
Oh, bro, that's our first like. Oh, crap! My camera's a bit low.
The shark is circling us.
Let's shoot it. I'm gonna shoot it.
Yeah!
Yeah! I like this.
There's 2 sharks.
Oh. Well, I think I killed one. Yeah, I killed one.
Oh, I'm going in for it, bro.
Be careful, mate.
My screen's black.
Let's go, let's go. Yeah, oh, it's because of the water. Oh, okay. Okay. There is another shark.
Is he attacking you?
No, but I literally just swam right past me.
Literally?
I'm lucky to be alive.
Oh, I got attacked by it! I got bit by it! I'm one hit.
Yeah, I just saw that. I'm really low as well. We gotta get to shore quickly, bro.
You can swim faster under the water for some reason, so do that.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
I'm not too sure basically, so no way he's getting to me.
I'm on the opposite side, that's alright. Which way are we going?
Oh, turtle! Can I kill it?
Alright, let's see what we've got here. Can I kill a starfish? No, of course I can't. Is there any turtles around?
Not where I am.
Alright, let's see, what do you... Oh!
Kick it around. It's actually sick.
Yeah!
No, that was a good song.
Although living on the beach.
Oh.
Oh.
Are you serious?
Sorry, I meant to hit the boombox.
You dog.
Well, the boombox is gone now. Alright, let's go to, up here.
Is that a snail?
Oh, why is Calvin coming for? Look at him.
We can't. Where is he?
He's over there. He's on the other side.
Oh man.
Why,
We can't
bro?
do anything about him, bro.
He's. Well, you know he's mute after the plane crash.
Yeah, but we can talk. Say him to shit his ass. Should we kill him? He's being annoying.
Should we just kill him?
Should we just shoot him right in the head?
I don't know.
We have to. Well, we have to make it end. We have to end him quick, or it'll be pretty. Oh, it'll be a pretty sad death.
Well, I kind of feel bad if we kill him now. He's coming over. Look at him, man. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Bro! I can revive him. Oh, he's dead.
He's gone.
He's dead.
Why are you twerking on him?
You killed him, bro. You killed him. Why would you kill him for?
Wait, I just combined something with my pistol. I don't know what it did, but it did something.
I feel bad. Why would we kill him for? Oh well. That's a real shame, isn't it, Harry? He was a big help, man. He just.
No, he's not. He was sitting there, bro.
Leave him alone. Hey!
Oh, right on the balls.
Alright,
Let's keep moving. What if I
peace,
shoot you in the head?
Don't do that.
You instantly went into defense mode.
You know it.
You know it.
Rest in peace, Calvin, eh? Poor fellow. Oh well, he can't come back now because we've killed him for good. He's just dead.
We shot a man in the face and started laughing about it.
Why are we laughing? Why are we laughing? He needs help. Why are we laughing? Come on, man.
Whoa, why is he gonna stay in my map the whole time? Are you serious? What's this? Some dead bodies came to shore, bro.
Oh, damn. Indiana Jones.
Shut up.
Oh, there's a Bible here.
Not again. The Bible
Not
was.
again.
With the chiggles.
So, okay, that body's quite far from here.
Let's get it, but it's out. Well, I think, hopefully, somewhere around here.
So,
Here.
oh jeez. Are you sure we can even get a shovel?
Yeah, I remember. Remember they were digging up?
Right. Okay, so it says that the dead body's here. Do you reckon it's in there?
Probably under here, yeah.
It probably is. Alright, well.
Oh, so how does that work? How am I supposed to get him? Do we need to find a shovel?
Yeah, we'll have to find a shovel or craft a shovel.
I don't think we can craft a shovel.
I don't know where we can go next now. We're gonna have to just go do some exploring now.
You can make tech armor and a time bomb.
That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, wow. Alright, let's keep exploring, I guess. See what
I reckon he's in there. Maybe.
Go ahead, try and explode the grave. Good luck.
Oh shit!
Bro, what the hell? You
It didn't
missed.
work. It didn't work.
Me.
It didn't work. Nah. It didn't work.
You hit me, bro.
It didn't work.
Thanks,
Let's keep
bro.
going. Let's keep
Alright.
going.
Well, I don't know where the hell we're gonna go now, but we'll have to come back.
Yeah, what do we do?
We'll explore the probably like maybe the north area. Ooh, what's that? Hold
There's
up,
a little
hold up.
hut over here.
I wonder where all the caves are.
All duct tape.
Oh.
Is there a cave here?
No, I'm saying I wonder.
Arrows. Carbon fiber.
Oh yeah, let's sleep and save.
Hold on, where are these feathers? What can I make? Stone arrow. You need 4 stone. Are you serious?
Got 6 new recipes now. Wow. So we got all that duct tape. What the hell is that? Oh!
What is it? What was that?
Okay, that
What
makes
was that?
a lot of sense.
What?
That was a canister. I'm like, oh, what's this? And I hit it, and kaboom!
Where's the canister?
It's gone. I broke up, blew it up.
That was like the last game. I made arrows, by the way. To make arrows, you need 2 feathers, 4 small rocks, and 2 sticks.
Thank you. I can make bone armor. You know, I'm gonna try that out.
Duct tape's pretty rare, honestly. I don't know why. Alright, now I can use my bow.
Ooh, new animation. Very nice. Make some more, if I can.
Alright. Should we sleep? No, don't sleep yet. It's not even nighttime. I'll just save now.
Okay. I'm just creating bone armor. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
I see her. First time using the bow. Missed.
Let me
Okay.
get my axe. Where'd it go? There it is.
Oi!
Good shot. Oh, oh.
He's dead already. That's
Nice. Just gonna leave it there.
quick. Oh!
What happened? Oh, there's more. Is there?
So, yeah, I see him.
I'm just creating some bone armor, man. Watching these new animations.
Oh, the bone armor must be sick.
Excuse me, I'm not gonna wear
Oh,
it yet.
there's still headshots in this game.
Oh yeah, of course there is. Why wouldn't there be? You know.
Oh, I just shot down a whole tree with 1 arrow.
Damn.
Oh, they're hiding in the bushes again. Never mind, he's running over to you. This one has an arrow stuck in it. Oh yeah, that's because I hit him with the arrow. And he's
Alright,
dead
he's
already. Oh, I've
Bro,
already run out of arrows.
Oh crap! What the hell? Oh,
Is there more?
What? Oh, bro! I hear, and I turn around, bang! He smacks me, and I'm down.
Oh crap, you're dead.
Yeah, he literally just.
He's making
instantly smacked
arrows. Where'd he go?
me. He's left.
Let me touch my mate. Alright, I'm gonna save again.
Bro, we need food.
I'm stacked on food, bro. I got so many MREs.
Bro, what the hell?
I got 3 MRE packs and I got 4 energy bars.
Jeez,
What is it?
nothing. I'm just.
Why'd you get
Print
down on
up
the ground? for?
resin.
Yeah, it's 3D printer apparently.
A 3D printer. Imagine that.
You know how there's a infinite money glitch. You get a
Already.
3D printer and then you 3D print the 3D printer.
You 3D print the 3D printer. What is that? You 3D print the 3D printer.
What's this? I think we found something important. Oh, cannibal base.
3D print the 3D printer. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, the big boy's back.
Oh, look at this. This looks cool.
Yeah.
That's what I
Oh,
say.
it's
Everything, bro.
Oh, figgies.
I really enjoy the cannibal design. They look really good.
There's a lot of them. There's a lot of
Jesus, that's heaps.
There's a lot of them. There's a lot of them.
Well, get ready for a big fight then.
Rope collected.
Now, they can block now
just
as
loot the
well.
base and get the hell out.
Just loot the base and get out. Alright. They got music.
Menu. Oh, she waving at me. Oh!
You alright?
Yeah.
Bro, these guys got some jammings tunes.
Oh yeah. Can we take it?
No, we can't.
C4 brick. What is that?
Are you sure we don't want to fight these guys?
What does that give us? Oh, that girl's happy. Oi.
Oh god. The animations are kind of more realistic, I've noticed.
What the hell is she doing? Oh, the big boy, run! The big boy, it's the big boy, it's the big boy.
Yeah, I saw. Oh! You know what? I'm gonna start a tribal
There's a cave
war.
nearby.
I'm gonna start a war. I'm gonna free this guy. Oops. Alright, you can do whatever you want, mate. Fight him, fight him, fight him. Oh, what the hell? Oh! What the? He just threw. Bro, okay, that was a bad idea. I shouldn't have done that. Bro, there's heaps of them.
Whoa! Oh, there's a mutant! There's a mutant!
Look, look, look,
Look, it's her!
Fingers,
Dude,
it's fingers,
let
it's
her free.
fingers.
Let her free. I let her free! Uh-oh.
Oh my
That
god,
me?
that's fingers, bro. Look at they're fighting it.
I wanna watch this.
Whoa, watch this, watch this, watch this.
Mutant
Whoa!
versus the big boy. Mutant versus the big boy.
It's a movie. Whoa. Place your bets. Who you going for? I'm going for fingers.
I'm going for fingers.
Yeah.
Wait, watch out, watch out, watch out!
It's alright, it's alright.
Watch out, what you doing?
Why is he going? Bro, he's got his back turned. Oh!
Oh!
Bang! Oh, he's dead.
Jeez, already.
Wow. That was weak.
Oh,
Oh, I'm down.
Can you? Oh crap! I think I might die. I think we're dead, bro.
Well, we're gonna respawn. Right, thank you.
Oh, you can finger her.
Oh. I'm dead, and I do not know what the hell you just said.
like I meant skin her. Alright, let's run.
Bro, I'm getting insta killed. I'm getting insta killed.
It's the big boy. He's camping you.
I'm getting insta killed. I can't do anything.
Here you go.
Oh my god.
Oh
this
my
guy.
god. Go.
I can't. Oh, I made it.
Go. Yes.
I want
Run.
to skin it though.
Huh?
I need to skin.
Watch it.
I need to skin the fingers. Oh, this big boy. Oh, what's he doing with it? What the hell? I just got attacked from behind. I literally just got pummeled from behind.
Look at me. Where's the diesels?
I'm down, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Bro, it's just like old time. Oh,
That's
just like old times. The usual. You keep reviving.
I got you. Run.
I'm surrounded. I can see them surrounding me, bro.
Oh, he finished you. Never mind. I'll go.
I can't.
Go. Stop trying to finger her.
I can't. He won't let me. Oh. What the hell? What did you even get from doing that?
I'm dead. What? I'm
dead?
so stupid. Why would I try and kill him? I thought he'd be pretty low, but
Oh, he just. Yeah.
I'm gonna get ready to run then, cause
Alright, go run.
I'm trying. I'm in animation. I'm dead.
Here.
I'm in
Let me
animation.
lure him away. Come on, buddy. Oh, Jesus.
No, don't just try and revive me while you can.
Run. No. Oh, damn it.
Why did I see fingers get thrown?
Why are they? Oh, his friend's dead. Go now.
I'm following him in. Oh, he's trying to.
Let's go. Bro, there's no point. What the hell are you doing? Oh, we're fighting them, are we? Oh, what the? What? Okay. Well, you got him. Oh, sorry.
Get your ass back.
Sorry. Oi, this is like infinite bones. What the? Why are you running? Oh, okay. I'll just let them go. Oh, I'm gonna make a fire.
Get fingies, mutant armor, whatever it was.
How do I get out of this? Alright, I've got a fire going. Bro, imagine how much meat we're gonna get from the big boy.
Oh, what do you mean by that, my man?
Oh! Okay.
The dock.
Well, that sucks. Oh, okay.
Oh, are you dead as well?
Oh, we both dead.
Yep.
Alright, respawn.
Hazels.
Alright, where are we gonna respawn? We just had so much meat as well.
Oh, we're at the same place, I think.
I hope so.
Oh, not. We're at
No, we're
the
not.
place.
Oh, back here. Oh well. It's good
Oh
how
my
your
God.
bags are right next to you.
Imagine if you had to run all the way back.
Oh no, we are. Wait, where the hell are we?
Oh no, we're at the same place.
Yeah, we are. Alright, well we can still cook then.
Let him cook.
I was waiting. Oh, hoodie collected. Ooh. What the hell? I got bloody cereal.
Yeah.
Where's the hoodie at?
What?
Someone just died?
Did you just kill me?
No, the cannibal just hit you from behind. Run, run.
What happened?
Wait, how did you equip the
These
hoodie?
ones that are stuck on the pole are cave ones.
Leave him.
I need to eat. I
Oh,
need to eat.
I just chopped an arm off.
Oh, someone killed me.
Yeah, from behind. Oh, and something just killed me too. The good thing is, it's not that bad when you die now. Like, it's not
I shouldn't
like
eat.
it's not as
Nah, the forest wasn't bad because the map was pretty not that big. This map is huge, so it's understandable.
Oh yeah,
Hey?
yeah. Oh, we gotta go cook
Let's
the
just
others.
get our
bro.
backpack. Oh yeah, that's
There's so many bones. I need bones.
Jeffrey Dahmer in this motherfucker.
That's so true, bro. Let's get some music.
Coconut cherry.
No homo.
Oh my.
Protein for when you need
Oh, we need to
it.
sleep.
Let's cook.
Let him cook.
Let's go cook some people.
Menu 18, Sloppy Joe. Did you get that as well?
I got a hoodie. Oh, I can't
Is
cook
that-
the big boy. He's
Look
too
at this,
damn
bro.
big.
Look at this.
Where where are all the bodies at? Did they? Oh, they probably despawned.
Look at me.
I'm gonna come over. What the hell are you doing, bro? What are you, Thanos?
And look what I'm sitting on.
Oh! Hey!
Yeah, try to break the. Oh shit.
What was that for? Don't break that. Leave
Ew,
it.
look at the stools, their feet and hands.
I like that.
What?
That's cool. I like this. Cool little funny thing.
Figgy.
There's a guy behind
Go
you.
away!
He's gone. Alright.
Oh, it's Virginia, it's Virginia. What's she
Where,
doing
where?
here?
Can we tame her? Wait. Chill. These ones have sex with you,
Don't
Harry.
be scared.
No!
Don't chase her, it does nothing. I think it's just an overtime thing, because she always comes back, if you know what I mean by that. Not on the
I
back, but
always
like...
come. Oh, a cannibal just ran into the fire. Can I see if I kill her? Or should I just leave her?
Don't!
Alright.
She's
Oh, she's helping. I think
breathtaking,
she's
look at
Wow, she's beautiful. So I'm getting a bit too rowdy. Let's kill these cannibals.
that. Watch out!
Wacha! Oh my god, he blocked that.
I killed that one.
Oh, and he's running.
Can't carry any more pouches of skin. What the hell? Time bomb.
There's some bones.
How does a watch make a time bomb? I don't understand.
I know,
Do you
that's just
Do you have one of those
logic.
tops?
Yeah, I do. Do you want to save?
Sleep.
Okay.
Maybe we need to find water.
Let me just make some bone armor.
Let me get some water.
Oh, I need duct tape. Damn it.
Actually, no, we can run back to base. It's not that far, honestly.
There goes
Virginia's running
Virginia.
around the fields.
Bye, Virginia. Alright, yeah, let's go back to base. And then hopefully, oh, I can see a cave on our left. Do you want to go to that?
Yeah,
After?
where is it?
Alright. It's over.
Where?
It's over. You can just see it on the map.
Can you see it? Oh, I can't see any on the map. So you got it. That's all good.
It's on the left corner.
I hate how Kelvin's still on our screen, even though we like eliminated him. If you know what I mean by that.
Which, of course, I know what you mean.
Oh, there's a pond right here. That's actually so clutch.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Any drink? Oh, let's go.
Oh, that's cool. I just saw the drinking animation for you. Like, that was really good. Like, you went straight into the water and, like, the whole water rippled.
Oh, yeah,
really
I saw.
That looks really good.
I don't think I like our base location because look at, imagine there could be like 10 cannibals hiding in these bushes right now.
Well, Virginia's running.
She's
Well, I
still
mean-
around here.
Yeah. Well, I wouldn't advise moving. Oh, I think we should just stay here.
Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna move. But I'm just saying.
Crunchy Wunchies. I'm gonna eat those. Mmm, that was good. That was some good cereal, man. I'm gonna
Do you
eat
like
that.
how they taste?
Yeah, they do. They taste a bit like human
it's a
upkeep.
sleep. What?
Alright, let's go sleep.
They taste like a bit like human. That's not good.
And I'm gonna save. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end the video there. So please subscribe. And next video, you know, I don't need to say it anymore. Please subscribe. See you on this one. Bye bye.